Hey everybody, Chris Barron here. Thanks for switching over to Mode Go. Upgrade! Oh shit! That's right, just got the upgrade. Belt driven to direct drive, force feedback. I got 8 Newton meters instead of 7, I believe. Pretty excited about that. It's week 13, and we're doing MX-5s. Luckily, there's no weather. I'm sorry, there's definitely weather. No rain on the horizon. I'm the number 7 car. I qualified P4. I had a couple pretty unfortunate races, so my safety rating's a little down. They've already split. I don't know what to call it. Open and closed wheel. Open wheel and road. Whatever. Anyways, I'm a little worried about not moving up to C class, which is a goal of mine at the end of this week. So I got to keep it slightly clean this race. The number 1 car went a few seconds faster than everyone else, so he must know some lines that nobody else does. But anyways, here for a good time. You know, with this wheel, I've had about 3 laps, 5 laps with it, so still kind of learning it. I would say the main differences I've noticed so far is like in the tiny little adjustments. This is just much more precise. Instead of, I mean, I don't want to say you can feel a belt because you can't feel a belt, but I would say like there's like jerks like that, whereas this is like that, if that makes sense. Like you'll feel it pull for a split second where it's just kind of like that with the belt, whereas this is like very, very minimum adjustments. That being said, I do miss my old steering wheel. These are plasticky. These shifts are really plasticky, and I'm sure you guys didn't like hearing the click, 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 but I certainly enjoyed the look and feel of it. These do feel plasticky. What did I go with? I went the Fanatec GT DD Pro. It's in the description. But anyways, I've got both the QR1 and the... Oh, almost time to go. I'll tell you about it in a little bit. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Oh, good start. I've got the QR1 and the QR2 hookups, and I also have a metal QR1 hookup, which I'll probably change to soon.
Keep to the left. Clear.
Okay, up to P3. See, like right there is, I could feel it, I could feel the car, but it wasn't like these huge adjustments. Perfect. Oh, now for that guy. Ooh, 2. I bought this used as well, because you know me, looking for the deals. Maybe you don't know me, but now you do. Everything here is used. Because, I mean, who's banging on these electronics? You know, they said barely used. Uh-oh. I was going to say you can't go for the pass. God, that turn is so much fun. Just like barely holding on to the rear end the whole time. I always misjudge that. Kept it together. Okay, pretty quick. I got 2 people behind me and then a large gap. Oh, that's an off track. No, it wasn't.
Car ahead. Car stop on the left.
I was 2nd place. I'd like it if they battled. The guys behind me, it looks like they are. Man, each time I'm missing that. I've lost it on that turn so many times. Dang, 134.9. Wow.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 34.969. You're in 2nd position right now.
Oh my god, I'm turning it so early. What am I doing? Ooh, somebody lost it back there. Saw a little smoke coming from him. That was apparently 10 seconds ago. Ooh. Come on, you got a guy within a second, so you got to get your shoot together, Chris. Stuff. You got to get your stuff together. Ooh. He apparently wanted it pretty bad. Forgot to brake. that's a lapped car in front of me. I was like, what is... Thank you. Oh, I gotta give myself a push to talk button. Though I do have a dedicated look left and right button, which is nice. It's also probably needs to be moved. Just trying to do it right there. I bet he stays in second, runs off to the left there. That's what I'm thinking. Could be wrong. Got a text message from somebody. Yeah, even like just the car hopping down these, like you know, hopping around on the curbs. Just the tiny little adjustments in there feels so much better than the like jerk of the belt. But at the same time, you know, I wouldn't call this like an absolutely needed upgrade, in my opinion. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's the last lap. You're gonna give him a chance. Come on, let's go. Get on the gas earlier there. I bet there's just so much grip that I'm not using it being uphill. Oh my god. I'll take that off to save the race for me. All right. Second place by a solid 18 seconds. And that guy seems like he just started. I feel like he didn't just start. That Mike Whiskey.
Chicken flag. Nice run.
Thanks. So, overall, pretty impressed with the wheel. I also have a lot more buttons to that's just this wheel, but even the wheel is mostly an upgrade. I do miss, I think it's 20 millimeters closer, 20 millimeters smaller, 280 instead of 300, I believe. And I don't like the shifters, but other than that, it does have a lot more buttons for, you know, activities and telling it what to do. And the direct drive itself feels so much better. Not so much better, but better. The minimal adjustments are where it's at. Anyways, please like and subscribe for more direct drive content. I'll also be doing Gran Turismo 7 soon, so keep an eye out for that. Enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching. Bye.